So hello everyone, myself Ashish and I am the group leader of SIH group called AIgnition. I hope you guys are having a great day. So we have created a project on AI based UFDR tool analysis. So what this project does on the surface is the forensic science officer uploads a UFDR file and then questions on his own language, let's say on English, and that question is also uploaded on this front end. So what our AI based UFDR tool analysis does is that it takes the question as well as the report file, and with the help of the AI, the AI finds the best suitable answer from that report, and it provide that answer to you in within minutes. So this is, as you can see, this is the front end part, this is the back end part that is running on the railway, and we have a UFTR SLM server. So we have this small language model server. We have uploaded a small language model called Microsoft 5.3 mini on the hugging face on the hugging faces, and this is our space Microsoft 5.3, and it is currently running. So let me just upload a mock UFDR file. We have two mock UFDR files here, and I'm gonna select one by one of these. So when I hit the upload and analyze, we'll see what happens. So it says success. So what happened here is that file, that report file, is then sent to the backend part. And what the backend part does is that it does two things. So first of all, it creates a searchable database for the AI with the help of FAISS and SQLite, and then that searchable database and that question is then sent to the UFTR SLM server, which contains Microsoft 5.3. That SLM, the small language model or the AI, sees the database, sees the question, analyze the report file, and then sends the answer to the on the to the front end part. So let me just ask a straightforward question. Please provide me the summary for this report. So I've sent a straightforward question. Please provide me the summary of for this report. So this question and that report file is then uploaded to this railway, and the railway, the backend, is then gonna create a database, a searchable database using FAISS and SQLite. That searchable database with the question is then uploaded to the 5.3 server, the Microsoft 5.3 small language model. That small language model is gonna take the question, is gonna search the database with that specific question, and then it is gonna return us the answer of that thing. So it is saying that waking up AI, this may take a minute. So what is happening is that we are running everything on free server limitations. Like we are running everything on free resources, like UFTR SLM server, the Hugging Spaces, the Hugging Faces, the back end and the front end, all are running on the free tier services. So that's why it's taking this long. So even though we are running on the free services and we are running on a small language model, not on a large language model, because of resource limitation, because of this, even though we are running everything on the this as on the resource limitation, it is providing us the answer in a within minutes. As you can see, the Alice received the package containing some kind of crypto wallet, and there is an call from John Doe at something like this. So it provided me the summary of this report. Let me ask him one more question. Can, like, what if somebody wanted what if somebody wanted John Doe's contact information? So let me say, provide me the contact information about John Doe. So I just asked him a straightforward question. Can you please provide me the contact information from John Doe, from about the John Doe? So this is where the John Doe is. So if somebody wanted the contact information about the John Doe, it could have, they could straightforward ask the AI, uploaded that UFDR file, and straightforward ask the question in their own language. Here I'm asking questions in English. Typically it is also only running for the English right now, and we can improve that, of course. So within seconds, as you can see, the contact information for the John Doe is name and the phone number. So it successfully retrieves the question. It successfully retrieves the contact information about the John Doe at this point, right? So this was for the first UFDR file. Let me just say, what if I upload a second UFDR file which has a different architecture than the first UFDR file? So the first mock UFDR file here, you can see, has a different architecture than a mock UFDR B file. Let me just upload it. Let me just say it successfully, does its processing. Let me just ask this question. Provide me the summary for this report. I'm asking the same questions for this as well. So that UFTR file that we have just uploaded is going to send to the railway, and that railway is gonna as you can see that we have building and saving FAI index, and we are populating a SQLite database. So that's what happening there, that we are creating a database and we are sending that question to the 5.3 server, and the 5.3 SLM server is gonna search that database with that certain question and gonna return us the answer. And within minutes, as you can see that this is a very small summary because the file is very small. A transaction was made to confirm a deal and the funds wired to an account on January 15, 2025 at 10:05 a.m. So there is one more thing that I want to show you. Let me just ask him a question which is not present in the report at all. So I am asking like, who is Ashish Joshi in the report file? So there is no Ashish Joshi in the report file. So let's see what it answers, because there is no Ashish Joshi in the report file, because the mock UFDR file that I have created does not contain any Ashish Joshi in it. So it is gonna take this question to the backend gonna take this question, the SQLite server, and at the 5.3 mini is gonna search that, but 5.3 mini does not see Ashish Joshi on that. So what it is going to do is, we'll just see in a minute. So what it'll say, just we'll have to wait few seconds here. The UFTR, as you can see, the 5.3 mini has something like prompt and generated answers and submit. So this is the SLM model basically, where you write the prompt, you get the generated answer, and the generated answer is then sent to this. As you can see, the the our UFTR tool analysis just said that the context provided does not include any information about Ajushi or the report, or any report from the named report file, because we have just said in the report file. So it is saying that I can't file any file named report file. So this is one of the things. So I cannot provide an answer to the question regarding who Ashish Joshi in the report file. As you can see, if there is no context of something in the report file, it is just gonna simply say that there is I cannot find anything on this file. So that's all for it. That's all for the AI based audio FDR tool analysis. So a few words from my side, that so it is built on a small language model such as Microsoft 5.3, and that is being uploaded on the Hugging Faces. The officer uploads the standard UFDR zip file, and our backend then processes the complex XML or zip file and builds a searchable knowledge base. Now, instead of digging through files, officer can ask a direct question to AI, such as what is the crypto address mentioned, like what is the summary, like what are the phone calls that were made. As you can see, the impact was clear. The impact is clear, and the impact will be clear, reducing the investigation times from weeks to minutes to seconds, and it empowers the forensic field with the AI, with the help of AI. So that's all for this project. Thank you everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day, and lots of love from my side. Bye bye.